So there's a push being made in some areas, notably in the Long Island area of New York, apparently wanting to prosecute DWI offenses as murder cases. And while this may all be good and fine, God knows that if you've been out there drinking, you really shouldn't be behind the wheel. But we also, and on top of that, the added attention that DWIs have gotten has made some improvements in the taxi cab business at night. But all of that aside, I want to again state my position that while there are people that have absolutely no business getting behind the wheel, especially when their blood alcohol level gets up over 0.1 or what is it, 0.10 or 0.15 or something to that effect. I have a little bit of a problem with the mandated 0.08 limit that seems to be kind of a nationwide standard. And I still state to this fact that there are people who are worse drivers, either by being distracted or being drowsy or a combination of both, who haven't had a thing to drink but yet are I feel more of a danger on the road than those who are at that 0.08 limit. You understand that 0.08 on an average sized person is no more than maybe 3 beers. It's in some people even 2 beers. I honestly think that if we're going to get tough on drinking and driving, that we get serious about the actual blood alcohol level that really makes somebody legally drunk, as opposed to pussyfooting around with ruining people's lives over a blood alcohol limit. And I'm talking about people who drive, where they have these roadblocks and these checkpoints where you have police officers, giving random breathalyzer tests, and some poor schmo, like I said, just barely, just like I said, just had a couple of beers, and he's gonna blow over the legal limit. So I don't know. I think that yes, I think that in instances where somebody is obviously drunk, and they talk about a incident in New York where apparently a guy was like 3 times over the legal limit and had drove his pickup truck down the wrong way of a parkway, and causing a horrific accident which killed 2 individuals, including a 7-year-old girl. Yes, I truly believe that the penalties need to be stiffer than just simple manslaughter in those kind of instances. But while we're doing that, let's concentrate on the bigger problem here of driving, distracted driving, driving while while overly drowsy or on medications, or road rage for that matter. But there are a lot of other things other than just simple drinking and driving where we have problems here in in our society. That's all I got on that right now. This is John Shannon, the Redneck Cabbie.